After the S25 series, Samsung is all set to launch the Samsung Galaxy S26 series at the upcoming Samsung Unpacked event. But the point is, आखिर क्या launch होने वाला है? So I have some exciting leaks and rumors related to this new flagship series. So don't skip any part. I'm your host हर्षित अरोड़ा. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. First of all, let me tell you that the event date has finally been decided. It will happen on 25th February 2026 and you can do pre-reservations now. हर साल की तरह it is expected that there will be 3 smartphones in the series. First S26, then S26 Plus and lastly the S26 Ultra. So let's first talk about S26 and S26 Plus. The Galaxy S26 is set to feature a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Armor 2 protection. And the S26 Plus may come with a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display, also with a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Armor 2 protection. And if that's true, then the display is bigger than the last year's model for the base variant. It is expected to launch with Exynos 2600 chipset. Coming back to the rumors, they are expected to launch with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. If we talk about the cameras, both devices are expected to launch with a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP primary lens with OIS, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 12MP ultra wide lens. And on the front, you may see a 12MP selfie shooter. Lekin the plus point is that this time you may get a bigger battery with the S26 model. S25 के साथ आपको 4000 mAh की बैटरी मिली थी, लेकिन S26 के साथ expected है कि 4300 mAh की बैटरी मिले. But yes, the S26 Plus is expected to launch with the same 4900 mAh battery and the devices are expected to run One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. But I know you want to know about the S26 Ultra model. The S26 Ultra is set to feature a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Armor 2 protection. The Ultra variant is expected to launch with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy chipset paired with 16GB RAM and 1TB internal storage. If we talk about the camera, the S26 Ultra is expected to launch with the same quad camera setup, which includes a 200MP primary lens, a 50MP ultra wide lens, a 50MP periscopic telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. On the front, it is expected to launch with the same 12MP selfie shooter. For the battery part, it is expected to launch with the same 5000 mAh battery that supports 60W wired charging. But now the most important part, what is the expected price? According to reports by German publication WinFuture, the S26 is expected to start at 999 euros, which is roughly 1,07,700 in Indian rupees. The S26 Plus could price 1,269 euros, which roughly cost around 1,36,800 for the base variant in Indian rupees. And the S26 Ultra is reported to cost at least 1,469 euros, which roughly cost around 1,58,400 in Indian rupees. And if we talk about the colors, all 3 models are set to be offered in white, blue, black and purple color options. So these are the leaks and rumors related to Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Soon it will be launched and you can check out detailed review on our channel. So don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets 360. I'll see you in the next one.